1. Header. Logo by plan plus product title. Okay, so this is the header. You'll see here the Biypod logo and then the product title. On the product title, you can see customize men's low-top leather sports sneakers. That is because that is the product that we're going to customize right now. And then on the left, this is the Biypod logo. You have 3 plans. For the free plan, you will see the Biypod logo as default because that is for testing and demos purposes only. Now, on starter plans, Biypod branding is removed. As you can see here, it is going to be a clean white label look. The customizer blends into your stores. Switching to the creator plan, on our example, we will use Starbucks logo and their hex color. Creator plans gets to brand the customizer, change the name. Like for example, you will see the Starbucks and then the Starbucks logo. And then it's looking at the add to cart, and then on the save button, they are color green.